Sir, now I'll take just a few minutes and I'll go on the Telangana Rising, sir. Telangana Rising and Vision 45 जो भी आपका है सर, बहुत अच्छी बात है सर. It is very nice, sir. Sir, I just want to go a glance at the social economic of Telangana Rising, sir. Telangana, which has been recording rapid economic growth since its birth in 2014, illustrates the limitations of per capita GDP as a measure of development. The state's strong economic performance contrasts sharply with its inadequate and investment in education and health, sir, raising questions about true benefits of its growth trajectory, sir. Sir, the reason I'm saying is that, sir, we might, हमारा GDP अच्छा होगा, हर एक चीज होगी, but ये दो चीजों में, sir, ये 10 साल से इसको इग्नोर किया गया. Health and education. Sir, when I started, I said that I was part of Vision 2020. I was also part of Bangaru Telangana. Bangaru Telangana, Bangaru Telangana, Bangaru Telangana बोलते गए सर, सुनते गए, सुनना था. अब जब बोले हम फिर यही बोलते थे, बिल्कुल बंगारू हो जाएगा, हम भी हाँ बिल्कुल करिए बोलते रहे सर. वो बंगारू तेलंगाना हो गया. Yes. Now it is Telangana Rising. Sir? No, I'm sure, sir. I'm sure. And I pray that you come back to power in the next elections also. This time you are rising. In next term, you will be flying. I'm sure, sir. Yes, inshallah, Telangana will fly, sir. We will fly. And all our support will be there for you, sir. Because we have to do, sir. और ऐसा फ्लाई करेंगे, उसके बाद में जब भी अल्लाह चाहेगा, ऊपर वाला चाहेगा, भगवान चाहेगा, गॉड चाहेगा, फ्लाइंग के बाद लैंड करेंगे. But I only pray that we shouldn't have a crash landing. I only pray that we shouldn't have a crash landing, and I hope that because you know, sir, my childhood friend is a very good pilot, sir. He is the pilot, sir. The Zabardast. And we all, and Resa ma'am coming, sir. And we also have our senior member, sir, over here. Seeing him, it reminded me that yes, we are going to fly. Because you are there, sir. You are there. We are safe. We all are safe. No crash landing, sir. We are safe, sir. Sir, going ahead, sir, I have lot of tables with me, sir. But you know, sir, not going further elaborating in that, sir. What I feel that education has been neglected, sir. It has been neglected for the last 10 years. We need to have a special focus on education, sir. We need to have a special focus on health, sir. It is very important. Sir, when we see, sir, I'll just give you, sir, table, बहुत तेजी से पढ़ूंगा, sir. Sir, the first table which I have, sir, capacity of state to rise revenue for the 2024, sir. The gross tax of Andhra Pradesh is 55, gross non-tax is 5, total is, you know, 60% of GSDP is 6.7, Karnataka is 6.8, Kerala is 6.5, Tamil Nadu is 6.2, Telangana is you know, 8.4, sir. All the other states are 7, sir. Sir, if we have to see comparative profile of growth of domestic product and level of per capita income, sir, right from 2014 till 24, sir. In 15 and 16, Telangana was 11.6, 16 and 17, 9.3, 17 and 18, 9.7, 18 and 19, 9.1, 19 and 20, 5.4, and 20 and 21, 6.0, 21, 22, it is 11.1, 22, 23, 6.9, 23, 24, 7.4, sir. So, you know, sir, the difference between Telangana and all India. Sir, when I say कि हमारे devolution funds लेकर चले गए, तो हमारे BJP के friends गुस्से में आ जाते हैं. Sir, I'll give you an example, sir. Sir, difference between, sir, difference between Telangana and all India, sir. Sir, difference between Telangana and all India, sir. In the year 15 and 16, the Telangana 34,608 and 44.56% all India, sir. Sir, अगर हम इसको देखते गए, sir, last में जब आते हैं 23-24, the difference between Telangana and all India, difference is 71,848, sir, 67.69%, sir. This is a very, very big, I would say, sir. Again, I mean, people might say, what is he saying? It's a slap on the face of the people who said that Telangana will not survive. See how well Telangana is surviving after the bifurcation of the state of Andhra Pradesh. I remember one leader, I do not want to mention his name, he was saying कि अगर तेलंगाना बनेगा तो तेलंगाना में बिजली नहीं होगी, तेलंगाना बनेगा तो पानी नहीं होगा, तेलंगाना बनेगा तो पैसा नहीं होगा. वो भी कांग्रेस के ही थे, चीफ मिनिस्टर बोले थे. लेकिन मैं कहूंगा सर कि आज you see sir, now sir, now it is different case. He is not with the Congress also. He is in a BJP, sir. He's gone there, sir. Probably he had to go because you know the washing machine is with BJP, sir. Sir, the washing machine is in BJP, sir. कितना भी करो, कुछ भी करो, जितना भी लूटना है लूट लो, बनाना है बना लो, सब कर लो. उसके बाद अगर ईडी से, आईटी से, सब सीबीआई से बचना है